Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset the overall settings here in Brave browser. So this is very helpful. For example, if you lend your PC or laptop to another user, or like if you're going to borrow someone else, so it's very important that you don't have your preferences on their computer anymore. So on the upper right corner, click the three horizontal lines, then go to settings. On the left side, scroll down until you see the reset settings. So click restore settings to their original defaults. So this is just a little bit of disclaimer that it will restart your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and such. It will disable extensions, delete cookies, and remove the Brave shortcuts. But do not worry because bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be affected. This one you can unclick this because it is optional and then click reset settings. So there will be no prompt to let you know that it already have been reset. But if you click on the appearance or like the other settings, you can notice that it went back to their original default settings. There you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.